Hello guys, I am Dr. Isa Khan and you are watching MedicoTube. From today we are going to start a series of lecture on the pharmacology and today's our topic is the pharmacokinetic, that is the very basic of the pharmacology, the first chapter of the pharmacology. So first let's discuss the definition of the pharmacokinetic. The pharmacokinetic is the branch of the pharmacology that deals with the movement of the drug. This is the definition of the pharmacokinetic. Sorry, I'm gonna search the laser. It's here. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you the easiest way to remember the pharmacokinetic. I know many guys they cannot differentiate between the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. They studied but they mix them together and they forget what was the pharmacokinetic and what was the pharmacodynamic. So if you remember this word kinetics from your old classes physics book, that was related to the motion. Here it is related to the movement of the drug. So if we broke this word pharmacokinetic in two pieces, the one pharma, okay, and the second one is the co-kinetic. Okay, everyone know what is the pharma is the medicine, okay, and the kinetic is the motion, it is the movement. Okay, so if you mix them again together, what does it mean? Pharma, medicine, and kinetic movement. So the movement of the medicine. And many people in many textbooks writes that what the body does with the drug. So that is also the acceptable definition of the pharmacokinetic. Here in diagram you can say this is the body and this is the drug, and how it interaction with the drug is called the pharmacokinetic. Okay, so we are gonna discuss some basic elements. These are the four elements of the pharmacokinetic that are ADME, the absorption, the distribution, the metabolism, and the excretion. So first one is the absorption. Absorption is the absorption of the drug from the site of administration, whether it is the cream or ointment on the skin, or it is the capsule, tablet, syrup in the digestive tract. They absorb from there and they go to the systemic circulation. The second one is the distribution, which is where the drug go into the body, how it distribute. And if you know that there are different compartments in the body, there is a fluid compartment, there is tissue compartment. So how drug distribute within these compartments, we will discuss the compartment later in the other lecture. I'm not going in detail to the body compartment, but simply I can say that how the drug distribute within the body is called distribution. The third one is the metabolism. Metabolism is which is how the body chemically modify the drug. And the fourth one is the excretion, that how the body get rid of the drug. These are the four elements we used to consider when we are talking about the pharmacokinetics. Let's see how these four things works. In short time we will discuss these, but later I will explain each of them. First let's see a person get a medicine, whether it is a ointment or it is a tablet or syrup or capsule. We will take the example of tablet or syrup. So when you take it, it goes into the stomach and absorb from there, from the intestine or from the stomach. Means simply you can say that the drug is absorbed from the GIT tract, and then it's go into the systemic circulation. This first phase is called the absorption of the drug. So when it is absorbed from the stomach, then it comes into the bloodstream. This phase was the absorption, and now it is the second phase of the pharmacokinetic, that is the distribution. So when the drug is distributed across all the body, then the third phase come, and that is the metabolism. We will take the example of the liver here, but the drug is metabolized in some different other organs too, but here we will just take the example of the liver. So when it is the when the drug is metabolized in the liver and biotransform, then it gets to eliminate from the body. This is the simply definition of these all fours. This is the person with the drug free and eliminated from the body. So that was all about the pharmacokinetic. Next lecture we will discuss the absorption in detail. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe the channel.